guys, we're playing with the clay that my tita gave me. And I'm supposed to be mojoling, then they're here giving me this Play-Doh. So that's why I'm playing already. Because I'm so I didn't play Play-Doh yet. No, I didn't play Play-Doh yet, guys. So that's why I played this. Yes, yes! It's my first time to try this Play-Doh.
Thank you.
Ah!
Where am I
Woo!
going?
We're getting out from this.
Woo!
It's not safe. Just a few days. You can be
Hello, please. I think mine is gonna be super better than yours, Rachel. I mean, Rachel.
Wait.
I mean, Mia. I think mine's gonna
You
be
make me a
super,
promise.
super. Oh, just like a hot dog. But I hope this red. There were not red. There's no red. I hope there's red. Oh, it's a cute little worm.
We got an assassin in custody who only speaks French.
Now I want to go to my module because my module
And
is
the next meeting
very
of the World Court is
so
in Paris
boring.
2 days from now.
I know how to
Are you
read
thinking what
now
I'm thinking?
because I'm 6 years old.
We already received our names to Dr. Falcons and Hannah Falcons.
Yay!
Before he cries out.
We want Paris.
Carrots na may.
Ne, butang yan ng green! Ne, butang yan ng green! Ne.
Dahon. Ihang kuan. Pungang.
Did you know that